Hi, I'm Nona, and this is Nona's Here. And my beauty edit box from Fab Fit Fun arrived yesterday, so I want to share with you what I got. So it says, the beauty edit, Fab Fit Fun. And then on the back it says, curated in California. Then on the front it says, your glow up with a heart. Open it up, I have unsealed it. And inside it says, ooh la la. And then here it says, love has arrived with the heart. And this is what it looks like inside. So, here is the Reader's Digest version of the Beauty Edit box. It comes from Fab Fit Fun. You do not have to be a subscriber to the Lifestyle box, which is the big box that comes out seasonally. Anyone can order the Beauty Edit box. It comes out monthly. It's $29.99 with free shipping. And anyone can order it. It costs $29.99 with free shipping. There's 4 categories. There's 3 to 5 name brand items in each category. You can choose one product from each category. So you get 4 name brand full-size products in the box. They're all beauty products: hair care, skin care, body care, and makeup. There's no jewelry, no home decor, no clothing, all beauty items, okay? It's very easy to manage your own subscription. There are spoilers that come out around the 25th of the month, so you can see what's being offered for next month's box. If it doesn't excite you, you can opt out or stop your subscription. Then the next month, if you want to subscribe again, you can subscribe in. But you have to do it before the 1st of the month, because that's when you get billed. So if you're not excited about the next month's products that are being offered, you can cancel. Then you look at the month after that, and you want to opt in, you just subscribe in again. It's easy peasy to manage your subscription in and out, but you do have to do it before the 1st of the month, because that's when they bill you. All right? So that's how easy it is. Very easy, and it's a great deal because all the products are full-size, high name brand products. So let me show you what I chose for this month's Beauty Edit box for the month of June. Remember, there's 4 categories, and each category has 3 to 5 products to choose from. So in my first category, I chose the Origins, and I like this name brand, Youthtopia Apple Butter Cleansing Balm. All right, so here it is right here. And I got, 4.2 fluid ounces or 125 milligram. And I've used it. I opened it up and I used it the other day. Well, yesterday, because I just got it. It comes out like this. It's a creamy balm cleanser. And it does have a light fragrance of apple butter. I don't know why I'm smelling it. I already smelled it. But it does have a light fragrance of apple butter. When I rinsed my face, it came off very easily, and my skin felt clean, and it was not a tightening feel at all. It just felt clean and smooth. So I would recommend this. I really liked it. So that was my category 1, was the Origins Youthtopia Apple Butter Cleansing Balm. And I'd like to tell you how much it cost, but I can't figure out how to get in there. All right, the next thing that I got in category 2, I'll find it and put it on the screen during the video, okay? So the next thing I got was the First Aid Beauty. Now, I like First Aid Beauty, and right now I'm using a First Aid Beauty cleansing cream that I really like that I got last month. And this is KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Toasted coconut. Looks like this. It's a really big tube. It is 226 grams or 8 ounces. All right. And I've used this. I used this in the shower last night. And so this is what it looks like. Now, this is an exfoliating body scrub. All right. It's a sugar scrub, just like you'd use on your face. This is a exfoliating sugar scrub. You can see right there that it's quite an exfoliating scrub there. Now, it says you can use this 2 or 3 times a week. I would probably only use it twice a week because it's quite exfoliating. And I do like to exfoliate my skin, my legs and my arms and my neck. But this is really a heavy-duty body exfoliator. I put it on a sponge gel. I put it on my body, but I rubbed it in with a sponge gel sponge that had lost all of its fragrance, and it really does a job. Afterwards, my skin felt really, really soft and smooth. So this is the First Aid Beauty Toasted Coconut KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. So if you want a good body exfoliator, I would highly suggest this. And it does have a toasted coconut fragrance. I wouldn't say it's beachy, it's toasted coconut. It does smell good, all right? So that was the second item that I picked, the item that I picked from category 2. Now the thing that I picked from category 3 is, again, First Aid Beauty. I like First Aid Beauty. And these are the hydrating pillow pads, and you get 60 of these. And I did try this last night after I cleansed my face. And these are with colloidal, oatmeal, and ceramides. And they are hydrating, and they are, let's see what it says on the back. Wipe pad across face or stick pad to extra dry parts of the face because they're hydrating. To use as a spot treatment. Dispose in trash after use. It's a one-time use. Use only as a directed. So, I like these. So this is what they look like. You can see that one side of the pillow pad is textured. They're thin, but they are pillowed. Okay, see there? They are pillowed. And I just take them after I cleanse my face and wipe the pad all over my face and neck and then dispose it. Very nice. You get 60 of those. And again, I'll find the retail value of these and put it on the screen. So that was category 3, customization 3. Then customization 4, I picked the Origins again, another brand that I really like. There's a hair sitting on me. Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with avocado and hyaluronic acid. Now, this is a full size. It's a nighttime mask, and you just need to use a tiny little bit of this to put on your face. And so I have not tried this yet. That's what it looks like. And I believe this did come sealed, and I took the seal off. Let me see here. Yeah. Okay, so it's a cream mask. You cleanse your face. I always use a toner before I put on a mask. And then you put this on your face, and you leave it on all night, and it's a hydrating mask by Origins. Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask. Right there. There you go. So, if you're interested in the Beauty Edit box, I suggest you go about the 25th of the month and look at the spoilers. And I know Tracey from Tracey and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More does spoilers a lot of the time. So check out her channel, and I'll put the link to it down below so you can see what the spoilers are for next month. Also, Miss Jackie Russell and Mary Catherine Loves Cats have also gotten the June Beauty Edit box, and they've already put up their videos. So I'll put their links below because they got different things in their Beauty Edit box for June than I got. So go and watch their videos and see what they got in their June Beauty Edit box, and you'll get a better feel for the type of items that were offered than just what I got. So you'll get a wide view of the type of items that are offered because they picked different things than I picked. Okay, that's it for my Beauty Edit box video for the month of June. Thanks so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to Known As Here yet, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the all button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, like, and comment down below. I hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.